Well, shoot. Here at the storage tent after the big windstorm. Got a mega tear there in the vestibule. See what other damage we got. Oh, that's a full-blown tear all the back. That's actually supposed to be tarp right there, looking right in. Dang it. Another broken pole. Well, get to work. Well, while I'm repairing the tent, I thought it'd be kind of fun to show some quick clips of some pretty horses that were walking by the property late last year. So enjoy while I repair the tent. Here it is after the little repairs. So the front was the top of the vestibule. There's all kinds of ice on the tent and everything, but got that patched up. Got the pole splinted. Can't see because it's hidden in here, but got the stick and got that straightened up, and tarp is temporarily back on, patched up. Things done really well for a temporary storage tent, so I really can't complain. It's held up to a lot. Just time to get a sturdier one and see how I can recycle this.